Okay. Then if we somehow like if we want to count like okay how many data we have, that how many address the unique address we have in this database. So if you want to get the total count of that, so what you can do, we can call the count function, then a bracket, and inside the bracket we just put the distinct address, okay, from the components table. If I run this, so here we can see it's giving us the total number 141. We
Exactly.
have the distinct value.
Again, the purpose of all of this, because that you have a millions of actually the value in the database table. Okay, so what you're looking for, so this kind of query actually save your life and give you the result right away. So this type of the query you will be doing day to day basis. This is a good one. Can I stop?
Yes.